In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit subtitles in Kapwing. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to put in the video where you want to add your subtitles. So as you can see, this is just one of my tutorials I just recorded, and I'm going to use this as an example. You want to click on it, and then on the left, you want to click on subtitles over here, and then you want to select auto subtitles. Of course, you could start from scratch, dub the video, or upload a file, but we're going to do auto subtitles because it's the quickest. And then the original language for me is going to be English, and then I do not want a translation, so I'm just going to click on auto subtitle, and what that's going to do here is going to start generating these subtitles. You can then edit yourself to whatever you want them to be. So in a few seconds here, this should be done. Of course, depending on the length of your video, this may take a few seconds up to a few minutes, but usually it's very quick. So you'll see when it's done. There we go. There's going to be like these yellow boxes up here, and then there's a bunch of different things you can do to edit this. So if I just play this for you, as you can see, these are now here on my screen. You can change a bunch of different things here on the left hand side up top. So for example, you could go ahead and select how many characters per subtitle you want. So right now, let's say I want 24. As you can see, it's shrinking. I could do more, and it's going to put more on there, but let's just do 24 for now because I think that looks good. Now here you could also edit whatever you want. So for example, if a word is misspelled or something like that, or like you do not want these punctuations or anything similar, you could go ahead and just click and basically just edit like that, and it's going to automatically edit inside your screen here as well. So as you can see, it's going to automatically change. Let me actually go ahead and correct this. You could also edit on your screen right here if you want to, so you can just click on that part. For example, over here you can click on that, and then it's going to essentially get selected in here, and you can just select that and just change it, which is also very convenient. And then of course, there's a bunch of different things you can do with these. You could also add in different lines. You can merge lines if you want to, for example, like this. You could go ahead and add a separate one here. And yeah, there's basically a lot of different things you can do to actually edit these subtitles. Now, whenever you do this, you could go ahead to the right-hand side, and you can also change how you want them to appear. So for example, you have these preset styles over here. You have like a bunch of different ones, and you can change in between them and basically select the ones that you want. And over here, you can select the fonts. You can go ahead and make it different sizes. You can change formatting, line height, stuff like that. So everything is possible. As you can see, you can change whatever you want. And that's basically how you can edit it. Over here, the colors and the background can be basically changed as well. You have to see, of course, there's a bunch of different things you can actually edit, put on different animations. You can just use literally whatever you want here and create your own subtitles the way you want them to be. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.